Raleigh budgie parts. There you go. That's what it was like. It's getting a lot better. Big difference that, isn't it? Compared to that, and I'm using this. It's like an abrasive. Then these bits. This is the seat. Then your handlebars. Original grips. Just give them a good wipe. But yeah, look, no rust on these. Done most of this now. What's this next? So just rub it really hard with this stuff. It doesn't scratch the chrome. It's coming good now. A little bit more work. So I'm trying to keep it original as possible. So if I can clean these up really nice, that'd be even better, wouldn't it? Yes. And the wheels are pretty much the same, original tyres, look. So clean them up as well. And even original stabilizers, which I'm going to clean up. You can see the rubber's gone on the wheel, but still original. I'll just clean these up and spray them with a black enamel. I'll treat them and spray them again just to keep the wheels. Try and get some of those. What do you think, Roll? It's good? Is it good? Yes? Thumbs up? Yeah? Good. Yeah. Oh yeah, my pepper plants have grown on a window. It's a nice big fat one, yeah? And these are from seeds from pepper plants in the shop. You take the seeds out, dry them out and plant them. Get your own peppers. Grown on a window. Anyway, back to the budgie. It's coming along nice now.